Wait, was I recording? Damn. I'll just do the walkthrough. That's all good. We're about to take off, folks. Gonna make it happen. I'm the only bike that's not on, like an asshole. Alright, let's get it on and popping. Looking good with the lights. Alright, y'all ready? Let's rock and roll. What's going on? Oh, wait, I'm waiting for my stuff to connect. Alright, so for the YouTube audience, doing 2 versions of the video. Alright, so I gotta cue myself. Alright, my 360 people, my GoPro people. We're about to head to Cycle Gear for bike night. Ran a little late, but it's gonna be all good. Now my lights aren't installed. Well, it's not that they're installed, it's not wired up yet. My charger's not wired, so we're about to take off. Now this is gonna be cool. Finally Mike got his bike back. So we're starting our little crew here. RP Predators, let's roll! Like Optimus Prime would say. Oh man, I'm loving it. I'm loving, how can I say? You gotta enjoy life as it comes. I had some unfortunate, unwanted results in some things in my life. However, you gotta take it as it comes. If whatever is meant to be will be, and you can't like be salty or whatever. So I had to make some drastic or aggressive purging in my life to make sure all is good. Man, those two look good back there. But with that being said, if y'all saw the last vlog, my cousin ran out of gas on the parkway. Had to run and get 2 bottles of, like one Poland Spring and the other like I guess like a Arizona iced tea. I had to get 2 empty bottles, fill it full of fuel, rush back. But y'all saw the video, but that's just like my little summary. So I had to rush back. Mike and Garvin are in the rain, and I'm just like, wow, that really sucked. That really sucked. It was cold, it was miserable, and I'm just like, man, let me tell you. So with that, I do want to take the time out to remember those who perished September 11th, when those jerk-offs decided to hit our towers, killing close to 3,000 people at the World Trade Center, which triggered a series of events that had me out to war twice overseas and 1 CONUS mission here. But you know, just to remember everybody, for those who lost their lives, you are not forgotten. For my brothers and sisters, whether you're Marine Corps, Army, Navy, Air Force, to my FDNY, to my NYPD, I have a lot of soldiers I serve with who are on the blue line of the force. Respect to everyone, that did their thing. And our hearts go out to all the families that were affected by losing loved ones, to all those children that pretty much, like, you know, lost their parents or don't know their parents because they were so small, you know. So, and there goes my 360 camera. I think it got full. I should have deleted some stuff, but anyway, any case, we got the GoPro. So what I'm trying to do is do this in parts, and this was my concern. I did not want to do GoPro only, but it's all good. Let me make sure. Now I can see that I'm recording. Now you see, now my 360 camera can actually get my lean angles in, and I can take those crazy snapshots. I love it. But I just hope, you know, usually Parkway South has some crappy traffic, but we shall see. We shall see, we shall see. Damn, folks are going a little bit too fast for my taste. Oh man, we'll make it, we'll make it. So, we're going, we're going, we're going. Go, baby. Now, I will say this for the next one. Alright, there we go. There we go. Now my cousin picking up the pace a bit. Gotta get Mike over here. Mike looks like a damn pro, man. I love it. Alright. Trying to come up with a little name for our little team here, so we should see. At least he's doing highway, so I told him the highway is easier. Man, I'm mad. I should have got my lights installed. I was just there. I'm thinking of the place, but yeah, when we get there, I'm gonna see if Mike can look at some of the gear. Start, you know, considering like gloves and things like that. If anything, I hope we can come away with at least a set of gloves. So I just want to splice some of that together. Now I'm trying to get on the other side just to get some good footage. Good. And yeah, Mike got his tire. He got the Michelin C2 2CT tires, so he's looking good. You know, because the tire he got when we were just got the bike was in bad shape. So it's all good, man. And his bike sounds really good. Yeah, maybe my cousin should have got a bigger bike, but it's all good. But Mike looks fantastic. Look at that. Oh, okay. Garvin's doing some alright speed. I know we can do a little bit more. Little more. But now I'm gonna make it so that he leads. It helps keep me caged in terms of trying to ride and stuff. Yeah, I see Mike is learning the bike. Yeah, I see him just, you know, doing some pulls. Not some pulls, but just checking the torque on it. But well done, well done. Light kit is in full effect. Yo, the team of 3. So once Garvin gets better, I'm gonna start bringing him around some of the advanced guys. Not to do like twisties or anything, because that took me time. Like, this is my 7th year riding, and you know, it's only now I'm really starting to feel it. Feel that I'm coming into my own. So it is what it is. I love my brothers. I love my people on twos, from Anthony, Omar. Rest in peace, Orlando, Ayo, I mean, Steve, Gil, even Tom, even though I'm a little pissed at him right now. You know, y'all my brothers, I love y'all. So, man, I feel like, you know, one day I'm going to set it up where we're going to do like Voltron. Everybody with a different color bike. We're going to set that up real nice. Looking good, looking good. Alright folks, I'm going to save the video for when we get closer. Alright folks, we are back. A little closer to cycle gear. and just wanted to take my turns. Can't really lean too hard tonight. And I'm a little depressed because I didn't bring my lights or nothing. Every time I get the chance, I will practice. We'll practice my leans, gangster lean, baby. Now, I noticed the GoPro was kind of picking up some of my music last time, so might be a different alternative, but we're on Lincoln Highway now, just waiting for the fellas to catch up. Come and get you some, brothers. Nice easy ride. I don't know what time it is. I gotta get my my clock fixed on my bike. Now, for those of you who don't know, my LEDs, there was a draw on my battery, and I finally discovered what it was. So what I'm installing is a breaker switch. So when I don't need the lights, I hit the switch to enable the remote so that I don't run into that issue again. But it's all good. And we're almost there. Oh yeah, I got my jam going on right now. So let's... It's not too late. Let's see what time it is. Alright, so it's 7-Eleven right now. Oh, such power, baby. Popping in the club, we have it locked. I got the LMFAO playing in my helmet. The Vox is actually acting up. It's all good. Good. Go. Oh, they probably went on this September 11th ride. That could be it. Because I went last time. I'm gonna move up a little bit from Mike. Alright, we have a ride, folks. My camera got full, man. Man. Alright, so I'm just gonna turn this off. Yeah. Yeah, if we knew, we would have came with you.
No, I didn't start from home, man.
Oh, okay. Good to see you, brother. Man, good stuff. I think everybody went to the 9/11 ride in New York.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, because usually I go on that one, but you know, it is what it is. It's a big ride too. They go to the memorial and everything through the city. It's some good stuff. All right, folks, we're gonna take a little intermission. I'll make sure I got my... All right, we're gonna check things out. Be back.